How to fix blurry pictures on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can fix blurry pictures on Android phones, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you're talking about your camera not taking too good photos, it could be that because you're having some kind of dust collected up in both the front side as well as the back side of your camera. So over time your phone is going to accumulate a lot of dust in the process, so as a result you might not be able to see your camera properly. So the first thing you might want to do, just try to wipe this off and then wipe the front camera as well as the back camera and see if that actually fixes your issue, because the problem could be with all those dust that is piled up over there. The other is, if it's inside of it you're not being able to remove it, in that case I'd recommend you take it to a nearby repair shop. And let's say that there is a specific blurry photo that you might want to go ahead and just fix it, right? So I don't know about you, but in my Android phone I have basically a feature called Remaster. So if I choose this specific photo, I have a Samsung phone, I'm using the Samsung Gallery app. If I just tap on the three dots here, I'll just find the option called Remaster Picture. This Remaster Picture is basically an AI tool that will basically convert your blurry pictures into a more cleaner and give it more pixels and resolution and make it more HD or high definitive. So you can see the difference over here, which is before and which is after. So keep in mind, this is not actually a third-party app. It is not going to give too much changes, but as you can see, it simply gets your job done as well. If this doesn't help, then if you have some kind of blurry pictures, then you can open up your Google, you can search for fix blurry image online. There are different type of services over here. You can just select any of the one. I like to use this Photor, F-O-T-O-R, and you can simply select your images over here. Once you select your images over here and then upload it, it should be able to do the job for you perfectly without any issues. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.